Hey, it's Dr. Hannah with this week's Hot Topic. Today I want to talk to you about carb cycling. In a nutshell, basically carb cycling is just a program that uses an intentional variation of your carb intake each week. It allows you to have planned high carb days, which increases your thyroid output, helps you control hunger, and then also because you're cycling those carbs, you also have low carb days that offset your high carb days, this is type of cycle that you'll continue to see fat loss, increase energy levels, and overall it just makes you feel better and improves your body composition. Now, when you're cycling all these carbs, it also improves your insulin levels and helps your body store less fat. And that's what I explained last week with the intermittent fasting on how if you eat in a small window and you decrease your insulin levels, that will help you maintain a fat loss. Now, when you have a long-term restriction of carbs, so these mainstream diets that have super low carbs, it can actually lower your metabolic rate and have a negative effect on your hormones. So this is why you see a lot of women that after they do like a low carb diet, they get this really dreaded weight loss plateau and they get super frustrated. So initially they see really good results and they're like, yeah, this is going great. And then after a while, it's going to cause the metabolic rate to decrease or even not necessarily stop, but they're going to be super, super frustrated. So not only are you frustrated, it's just not doing you any good as far as maintaining your hormone levels and getting your body to get rid of that excess fat. So when you're carb cycling, when you pair it with intermittent fasting and effective workouts, carb cycling can actually help you get rid of those plateaus so you never hit them, and then you feel really good. Your body is just naturally burning fat and energy, which is a really good thing because it means you're losing weight and you're just feeling a whole lot better when you're at a healthier weight. So don't forget that we have our weight loss program. It starts on January 20th, and it uses both intermittent fasting, which is what I talked about last week, and carb cycling. So all of that is set out for you in the program. So this is something that I know it may sound really confusing or overwhelming, but it's super easy. It's laid out really simple for you. And again, you're not doing it alone. I'm gonna do it with you. Kind of like if you saw my Facebook post yesterday, I split some pants. So apparently I need to do this intermittent fasting and carb cycling. That's a whole other story of why they actually split, but whatever. So that is all I have for you guys this week. If you have any questions, we'll post the link below if you want more information, if you want to sign up, or if you have more questions you want to ask me at your next appointment, I certainly will answer those for you. So I will see you guys next week.